Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I get this super quick, super buzz down. I've been saying super a lot of my titles. I need to figure out a new word. So super not going to be in the title. It's going to be like synonym for super is what's going to be in the title. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am thoroughly pleased with this hair. It's very rare that I don't have to cut hair at the end because this density is perfect. It's 200% density. But if you want to know more about this hair, sent to me by
Westkiss.
Thanks to
Westkiss.
today's video. Go ahead and check out the description box and it'll have all the density information, the limb, all that listed down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get on into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
We getting straight to it, no games. Already got 2 layers up on my head already, as you can see by my fingers. And then I'm gonna put 3 more layers. I mean, not 3 more. A third one, you see by my fingers. And then here's the inside cap construction. I'm not a big fan of this cap construction. I gotta be real. It's like you can do a middle part. And a middle part only with this wig. You could do a half-ass side one if you really want to, for real. But this wig be like, we got the middle part. And like, I guess you could get a T-part wig for that. But, if this wig and just like a 13x4 all across, I mean, perfect. But let's get into this install. We can talk more about that later on. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off these ear tabs, you know, one side, other side. I'm trying to change the way I cut them so that they lay better and that there's more lace covering my sideburns. And go ahead and click that up and razor off the rest. And we can get on back into installing. This lace is supposedly HD. I feel like the HD lace, they're telling us it's HD. It's just a better transparent, I gotta say. But as y'all can see, it's giving. I didn't even have it glued on, you know. It's giving what it's supposed to have gave. This is the 3rd layer I was talking about before. I like to do it in sections. I feel like it just makes the wig application process way easier. And if you feel like you advanced, you feel like you intermediate, go ahead and do the whole thing all at once. But I feel like for best application, like 3 sections is the way to go. So that's how I'm gonna do mine. And after we lay that bad boy down, we go ahead and push it into the glue with the comb and the blow dryer on cool, of course. This blow dryer is on cool. We can move on to the next section. Really easy. I feel like this glueless install process goes by so fast. I'm not gonna say super anymore. I've yet to find my synonym for super, because like I said, I've had super in all like of my video titles lately. Like, can we get another word like super? What else? Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this till it's tacky on cool, and then once it's tacky, I'm gonna stick that bad boy down and comb it on in. And we can do that for the other section. I went ahead and did the other section off camera because y'all have seen it done twice already. Do you need to see it a 3rd time? Like, I don't think so. That was an Incredibles reference. Okay, boom. Now it's giving install. It's giving lay. It's giving my hair. You see that bomb ass wink? I went ahead and that was kind of a transition right there. I didn't even peep for real. But I put my unique units band on. And now I did y'all a service by not showing y'all how much I went ahead and hot combed my head. A hot comb is essential. I don't think anybody could ever have a bust down middle part without a few things. And that is a hot comb and an edge dip. Maybe even some hairspray if we want to be extra. But them 2 things, essential. But I mean, I did y'all a service by not showing y'all how much I went ahead and hot combed this down. I rearranged my part for it to still be crooked. You know, I spent like 10 minutes doing this. And I went ahead and sped it up for y'all. This little 9-12 second clip was really like 5 minutes. But I went ahead and made it short. And now there's my part centered, I thought, but it's really not. But it's looking like it is right now. I bleached my knot so good. Nah, it's crooked. It's crooked. I bleached my knot so good. I need to film my updated bleaching knots and plucking tutorial. Have yet to do that. I know y'all are begging and begging me for it. Who gonna film it? You know? Me and myself looking at each other like, who gonna get it done? And I guess it's gotta be me. But I'm gonna go ahead and razor this lace off. And at this point, it's really giving HD. Like, I know it's really not for some reason. Like, it don't give like real HD lace. Like, real HD film lace is like stretchy. And this lace, it gives transparent, you know, no offense, but it's still nice by all means, but not HD. But it's still giving HD. Like it's like bootleg HD, you know? But it still looks good. And this is me recognizing it right here. I'm like, wow, the lace ain't even cut off yet, and it's really giving like my hair. And I could really understand at this point if you was like, I really don't want to have no baby hair. I really would get it. You know, it looks really nice. We're gonna put them adult hairs on though, for sure. So wait for that. But before we get into doing that, I saw this girl do this on TikTok where she sprayed the back of her edge brush and just put a little bit of spray so it's not as wet, you know, and it's just where it needs to be, like right where it needs to be. That's what I'm trying to say. Can you talk? It's right where it needs to be, and it just presses it into the lace, and I think I really liked it. So for them spots like that was lifted, so it didn't really work, but on the parts that just need to be touched up and just, you know, refreshed, like this part is the refreshing part. Yeah, okay, anyway, this definitely could have gave no baby hair, because this is giving amazing, you know, it's giving my hair, it's giving silk press, like, but I'm gonna do it anyway, like you see I said. And so I'm gonna get started doing that now. It's about that time. And I'm gonna go ahead and carve out the little section of baby hairs I want, where I like them to start a little bit after the middle part, you know, like I like to give it a little bit of space. And now I'm just coming everything back and forward, everything, you know, going the way it needs to go, so that then I can get to doing the baby hair. I have a new process of doing my baby hair that I really enjoy, but before we can even talk about that, I got a hot comb thing 7 billion more times. Is it even a JaLeah video if we don't spend 10 minutes of the 12-minute video hot combing shit? Now, I don't like straight across baby hairs. When you cut in your baby hairs, do it at a slant, do it at an angle. Why was my hand all backwards like this? I don't know. It's how it had to get done. And it's gonna look good. But all I'm saying is, don't cut your shit straight across. That's ugly. It's not cute. That's what ugly means. Anyway, can y'all tell it's late at night? Anyway, I'm going ahead and do the same thing on my sideburn. Pull out the hairs, cut them at an angle, spray them with some Sebastian Sabre Plus, call it a day. And then once I do that, I can grab my bed head pixie curling flat iron, and I just do a little curly cube, and I like watching it come out because it's so cute. Aww, look at that. But yeah, I do that on both or all 4 of the sideburns technically, and I like to comb it through with no product first and just lay it down using my finger and like seeing how the baby hair would actually look. And then I go ahead and add the product, so the ORS grip gel, and then later on you'll see me add some edge fixer, the edge control. And I like this method a lot better because it gives the curls a chance to be fluffy and like full and have some movement. I feel like sometimes the other way can make the baby hair a little too hard, and also I don't like not using an edge control or a gel because I really need my baby hairs to stay in place. I feel like this is just the perfect combination of the soft baby hair along with the structured laid baby hair. And here's me adding the edge control I was talking about. And yeah, I feel like this process went by so much quicker than the other way I was doing. I mean, my baby hair got done so fast. I mean, you know, it really wasn't super fast, you know how I be acting, but it was really quick. So just giving y'all the tips I know so that y'all can speed up y'all's wig process. And all in all, I think this took me about 30 minutes. I think I had 30 minutes of footage on here, so it's really quick and seamless. Also, I forgot to mention that this hair is a body wave hair, but I did go ahead and flat iron it off camera. But I love body wave hair. It's good for a curl, so if I throw a curl in this, it's gonna last. Thankful for that. And I think I should be finishing up here soon. Am I done? Am I done? My last finishing touches, looking good, feeling myself. I was like, you know what, I'm not there yet. Hold on, I'm stalling. Other side. I'm gonna do a transition. Turn. Baby hair done. Who would have thought that I killed that transition like that? It looks really good in retrospect. More hot combing, essential. Is this a JaLeah video without 10 minutes of hot combing? It's not. We need a hot comb. How your wig supposed to be laid, you need hot combing for 20 minutes. It don't make sense. So gonna keep continuing to do that. And I think I should be wrapping up by now. These are the final finishing touches. I'm going to add some more hairspray to the top to just, you know, smooth things out. I really love a flat wig. I can't stand no bumpy old wig. Y'all know I had my hair in a little bun from my previous video. I gave myself like 6 straight backs, but they was like twisties. My hair bumpy as hell. I really had to make sure my wig was flat. But at this point, it was getting flat, and I was content. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be back. And so I left, and I came back. I didn't want y'all to see I had pajama pants on, so that's how I came in. But y'all are gonna see I got pajama pants on. Ruining the illusion, but I love this hair. I love it. The density is perfect. I can't stand no skimpy wig. The luster was great. I don't even have no silk in it. Density, it's full from root to tip, as you can see. That fat ass right by it. This is a 24-inch wig, and it was giving like 26 for real. Maybe because of the density, but very nice, very lovely, very into it, very that. So here's me showing y'all that I look good a little bit more before I go ahead and close this video out with me being a chatty Cathy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the voiceover, and we can get on to real-time JaLeah.
So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really quick to do. I love doing my glueless installs like this, and I mean, this is my hair. And I know some people don't like the baby hair. If you didn't like the baby hair, you could stop right before I added that baby hair, because I feel like that was a perfect no baby hair install. But me, baby, I need my adult hairs. Maybe y'all don't like calling them baby hairs anymore. Maybe we need to grow up and call them edges, you know? But either way, I like my edges slash baby hair slash adult hair, and I feel like I look good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to click the links in the description box, and I think that's all I gotta say. Follow me on Instagram, like the video, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.